show you guys. This is a quarantine section. Once you are stocking in your goats, you need a quarantine section. These are the place where you first of all keep the animals for some days, as in after quarantining them for some days, then you give them injection for their vaccine before you can easily release them to join the other herds of animals. The reason for the quarantine section is because if there's anyone that has disease or infection, they will not be able to spread it to the other herds. Okay, so after the quarantine has expired, you can add them to the remaining flocks. As you can see, yeah, these are the flocks. These are the flocks. I don't know if it's clear. So for now, these are the ones that are out from the quarantine section. Okay.